My Print Haven lovers, we recently got a request from a client and they wanted a creative gift package for their 40th birthday party. And guess what? They're twins! Double blessing, right? Yes. So you already know what we did here at the Print Haven. We took it on and we delivered it with flair. Ooh, as you guys can see, we aesthetically designed the perfect gift box with various items, including a sleek umbrella, a delightful crunch of chin-chin, branded notebooks paired with a classy pen, a neck massager, a scented candle to set the mood, and a dash of chocolate sweetness, and also a fancy hand wash just to add a little touch of luxury. Our team poured their hearts out and soul into curating this fabulous package, ensuring every item resonates with the style of the twins and reflects the grandeur of a 40th birthday celebration. And the best part, we didn't just create it, we packaged it with love and delivered it right on time to make the birthday even more memorable. At the Print Haven, we're not just about gifting. We are all about experiences. So if you need print-on-demand services, promotional products, or corporate gifts, look no further than the Print Haven. Contact us today and let's make more of your events memorable. Bye-bye.